Dear students, I am Pratik sir, mathematics teacher of class 9, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this lecture, I am explaining you some questions from exercise 7.1 of congruence triangles. Here is question number 1. In the figure you can see it is given as a quadrilateral ABCD. A quadrilateral ABCD is given in which AC and AD is given equal to each other, and angle CAB and angle DAB, these two angles are also given equal to each other. We have to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. We studied 4 criteria to prove any two triangles congruent to each other: side side side, side angle, and fourth one is RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. These two triangles will also be proved congruent to each other by any of the one criteria of triangles congruency. Let us see. So it is given that quadrilateral ABCD, AC equals to AD and BAC angle equals to BAD. We have to prove these two triangles congruent to each other. So we will take these two triangles ABC and triangle ABD. In triangle ABC and triangle ADB respectively, AC is given equals to AD, angle CAB is given equals to DAB angle. We will put angle sign, and we can see that this side AB is common in both the triangles. So AB will be equals to AB, which will be a common side in both the triangles. Here we can easily see the criteria side, angle, side. This is side AC equals to AD, angle CAB equals to angle DAB, and AB equals to AB, which is a common side in both the triangles. So by applying side angle side criteria, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD, which is proved. One more question they are asking in this, whether BC equals to BD. Whenever two triangles are proved congruent to each other by any of the criteria, then its remaining sides and remaining angles are also congruent, means same, means equal to each other by CPCTC. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. CPCTC, once again I am telling you, it means corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Therefore BC will be equals to side BD. These two sides are not given equal to each other in the question, but these two sides will be equal to each other as the triangles are proved congruent to each other by corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent by using this property. Moving on to question number 2 of the same exercise. Here you can see the figure. First of all, figure is given ABCD as a quadrilateral in which AD and BC sides are given equal to each other, as well as angle DAB and angle CBA is given equal to each other. So we can see how we are going to prove congruent to each other. We have to prove ABD triangle congruent to triangle BAC, side BD equals to AC, and angle ABD equals to angle BAC. Very simple to prove these two triangles congruent to each other. First of all, AD and BC are already given equal to each other. These are sides. Angle DAB and angle CBA are given equal to each other. These are angles. And here also we can see in both the triangles which we have to prove congruent, AB and AB is the common side. In triangle DAB, AB is used. In triangle CBA, AB is used. So AB equals to AB, which is the common side in both the triangles. Therefore we can see the criteria side, angle, side. Side, angle, side criteria, both the triangles are congruent to each other. As I told you, when the triangles are proved congruent to each other, then its corresponding parts, whether they are sides or angles, they all are equal to each other. They all becomes equal to each other. Therefore, as both the triangles are congruent to each other, which is proved by using the criteria side, angle, side, Therefore, the remaining sides of these two triangles BD and AC, this BD and AC of the proved triangles, these two sides are also equal to each other by CPCTC, and angle ABD is also equals to angle BAC by CPCTC, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Thank you.